How can I help you?
Hi Ellen, my name is Anna Smith. I'd like to make a dinner for 2 tonight, please.
Certainly, Miss Smith. What time were you hoping to dine?
Around 7:30 if possible.
Let me just check. 7:30 is quite busy tonight. We have a table available at 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Would either of those time work for you?
7 p.m. will be perfect.
Excellent, Miss Smith. So that's a reservation for 2 at 7 p.m. tonight under Smith. Call the gate of confirmation number, please.
Yes, it's 950 70 76 102.
Thank you. And is there anything else I can help you with? Any dietary restriction or special request?
No, not really. Just a nice table, not too close to the kitchen.
I'll make a note of that. We'll do our best to accommodate you. Your reservation is confirmed, Miss Smith. We look forward to seeing you tonight. You will receive a text message confirmation shortly.
Great, thank you so much, Aiden. We appreciate it. Goodbye.
You're very welcome, Miss Smith. Have a lovely evening. Goodbye.